Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, happy Monday. Happy Monday everybody. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Today I have a really great video for you. I want to show you just a very few things that I bought on a little tiny retail shopping trip, and I want to show you some of the Mackenzie Child stuff I ordered from the barn sale. I know a lot of us on YouTube love Mackenzie Child, and I love it also, but it is very expensive. It is very good quality. It is very good quality, but it is very expensive. So I took advantage of the barn sale, which I mentioned on my Instagram account, which I'll leave right here, my Instagram. If you want to come by there and follow me, I would love it. Now, I'm going to give you an FYI. On Instagram, yours truly sometimes shows up with no makeup, not her hair done. It's kind of like my day-to-day stuff where I'm just kind of, at my shop or at work or in the house and doing whatever. So it's like everyday real life. Anyways, okay, let's start with the Mackenzie Child stuff, and then I'll show you what I got at TJmaxx, and then we'll start making that gorgeous floral arrangement for fall because I love it. I've already tested it out, but I've ripped it all apart so we could do it together on film. Okay, so first things first, this is what I ordered from the barn sale. I ordered this tea kettle. I love the shape. It's so beautiful. Guys, at the barn sale, it was like, I think these range, I'll leave a picture here to show you what the real price is, but I think I paid only 80 some dollars for it. Isn't it gorgeous? And I have to say, like, I've seen a lot, like this is the first piece I've ever owned, the first real piece that I've ever owned for Mackenzie Child. And I really wanted to see what the painting was kind of like. I mean, I attempted to paint something. I'm sure you saw it in another video that I had, my kitchen. I painted the top of canisters and I painted this pumpkin terrine. But I love that you can, it's got like all these different colors in it. Anyway, so I got that. Love it. It came. I'm so excited. And then I got two of these. They're candle holders. Guys, there's no way I would have paid real price for these. They're really expensive and they're very heavy. Oh my God. Like when we say heavy, we're talking very heavy. So look, you can even see bits of blue down here. But they are the courtly check, they are enameled, they are the metal ones, and you could put a tapered candle. And that's what I wanted. I wanted something very classic, something that wouldn't go out of style, and something that I'll have for many years. And I'm gonna try and build on my collection. Okay, now the next thing I got, and I ordered this off of Amazon to go with my Mackenzie Child theme. It is, I hope you can see it really good. It is the Harlequin pattern, but it's not real Mackenzie Child. It's linked in my Amazon store. It's a 4-inch ribbon. It is wired, so, and it was a very good price. I have it linked in the Amazon store, which is in my description box down below. So if you're interested in it, you can click on it and get this. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I am going to use it, and it has all the colors in it, in between. I know my camera's not doing it justice. Hopefully you can see it. It's got some blues and yellows, greens, just like how this is painted. So it's a really nice touch. Okay, then I went to TJmaxx. I was kind of bummed that day, and I thought, oh, I'm looking for a piece of furniture, but then I decided I wasn't gonna get the piece of furniture yet. I'm just gonna wait and see, because hopefully, I mean, everything is still up in the air. So hopefully we might be moving. If not, we're just gonna stay here for right now and make the best of it. And truly, I feel blessed enough that I have a beautiful home to live in, and you know, we always have food on the table. So I mean, it's not a necessity to move, but I do want to move sooner than later. Okay, I went to TJmaxx. Now, this is, I was so excited when I found this. It looks like a coffee mug. It says pumpkin spice latte brewed fresh daily. I have the lid on this that looks like a coffee lid. And my God, you can totally smell this. It's, oh, it smells so good. It's from DW Candles, and it was only $7.99. And it's very, very pretty. As I was saying, I'm gonna put it in my coffee bar. If you haven't seen the coffee bar video for fall, guys, I'm gonna leave it linked at the end of the video. You know, at the end of the video, you can just click on it and go see it. Let me show you the other stuff I got. I got some pillows because I want to just, you know, freshen up for this upcoming season. I got this big lumbar pillow. Isn't it pretty? Guys, it's so pretty. It's like that burlappy material in this muted kind of orange. And it's got a burlap edge, and then the pumpkins are embroidered in a really nice burlap kind of thing. And it was very inexpensive. It was only $20. And this is really, really big. I might use this in my bedroom or maybe Angela's bedroom. I haven't decided yet, because I just want to bring a little bit of fall into the bedrooms also. Let me show you the other pillows. And they don't match each other. I got this one. I think this is very beautiful. Now on camera, it seems a little bit brighter than what it is. It's quite muted. This orange is more of a muted orange. I don't know why my camera is making it show very vibrant. It is not. And I love the plaid. You can see there. That's really nice, isn't it? I mean, you could do both, either side. And this is very, very pretty. This, and it's also down-filled, so you can do the karate chop. And this was quite inexpensive also. It was only $16.99. So look how nice that is. Isn't that pretty? Got that. And then the last pillow I got, and I don't like my pillows to match. I'm not a very matchy kind of girl. I don't like all the matching of the pillows. So I got this. Isn't that pretty? I love the little gingham. It's buffalo check, but it's the small one. So buffalo check, when it's small, is called gingham. And last year I scored and got the runner. So when I saw this in the store, I thought, yes, I'm gonna get this. I love it. I loved it last year. This is kind of my direction anyways, and a little pop of black and white is always good. And look how nice this will pair together if I decide to use my Mackenzie Child in my fall. So I thought this was really good. This one was a little bit more, it was $19.99. But it's very beautiful, and it's really pretty embroidery. And again, my camera is making this seem a lot brighter. Okay, the very last thing I got is this right here. Let me show you. It's a throw for my living room. It is super, super, super soft. I love the plaid. Now you see my direction that I'm going in. Guys, this was very inexpensive, and my goodness, this is so soft and luxurious. $16.99. So TJmaxx is a really, really great place to get, you know, just odds and ends. Anyways, I'm really, really trying hard not to shop a lot. I mean, I'm trying. I'm really trying. Is it working? Not really. Okay, I'm gonna put all this away, and I'm gonna go get this floral arrangement, and let's build it together and give you guys some inspiration on how you can get a really, really high-end floral arrangement for this. Guys, I want to give you a look of what I'm gonna use. See these stems here with the pumpkins? These are the orange stems with the kind of muted leaves. These are from Dollar Tree. Now these stems here that I've got them grouped together, these are very, very beautiful, and you will never believe where these are from. These are from my local dollar store called Dollarama. I picked them up last year and they were so inexpensive. So you can see those there. And then I have a bush of ivy, quite old, and then another bunch of these Dollar Tree pumpkins. And this is a little bit darker color, if you can see there. So these are the florals that I'm going to use for this arrangement. Okay guys, I had to move you back a bit so I could show you what I'm doing. I have this really, really pretty, it's like an apothecary jar, and it has a removable lid. And now this might be very glam for some of you, but I'm gonna tell you, it is glam. It's mercury glass, so hopefully you can see it really well. And it has this beautiful like pattern on it. So this fall, what I'm trying to achieve in my home, and it's kind of like the direction I'm going in my home anyways, is a more traditional, a modern traditional vibe. So this is very, very traditional, and I'm going to use it to build my floral arrangement. So the first things first I'm going to do is I have this bushel of ivy, okay? Nothing special. I'm sure lots of us have stuff like this. What I'm going to do is use this as a base to hold my florals in. And I kind of want it cascading. You see that? And you'll see where I put it. Now, I don't know. We might get to it this video, or we'll get to it in the next video. But I will show you where I'm going to put this arrangement. Now, this is a very tall, very, very tall apothecary jar. Sorry. You'll have to bear with me. It is Monday, okay? So it is very, very tall. And I want this arrangement to make a massive, massive, massive statement. Because where I'm going to put it is near my staircase. And you'll see that. Now, you'll see these stems here. Let me take one out so you can see how big this is. This is a very, very, very large stem. And it is gorgeous. It is oak leaves, and it's greens and with tips of like the soft amber, and it even has little acorns in it. Guys, I was so fortunate last year when I found these. I was floored. Now, I'm using these as is, and I'm just kind of placing them on the perimeter so you can see that. And then I'm going to have some leaning out and some leaning in. So hopefully you can see that. So I'm just going to build this. And I think this is going to be the back. So I want it to stand up straight. And this is the best part, guys, when you have these kinds of faux florals. They are great because you can bend them and manipulate them in any way, shape, or form. And the ivy really does hold it as securely as possible. So, there you go. You'll see now they're almost all in, and it's already looking great. Now, you could totally leave this as is, but I want to add a little pumpkin flair to it. Guys, Dollar Tree. Let me move this over. Your arrangements don't have to be expensive. And really, this is where you need to use your creativity and think outside the box, because you're thinking to yourself, that is a very, very expensive vase. How am I gonna make my cheap, well, inexpensive florals from the Dollar Tree look expensive? These are from my local dollar store, and these are from the Dollar Tree. I mean, you guys seen these a million times. But when you take and mix and match these together, let me bring it forward again so you can see, you really get a good impact. Okay guys, there's the floral arrangement all done. Now, when I place it in its permanent spot, I am gonna play with the stems a little bit to go to the directions I like. But I hope this gave you an insight as to what I'm doing. Okay guys, so this is how I'm gonna end my video today. First of all, I hope it gave you some inspiration. Now, before I end the video, I just wanna say, this is my thinking. And this is how kind of I decorate my home in general. To look high end, and especially now going forward in my fall series, you're gonna notice a lot of mix and matches. I mean, if you've been following me for a while, you should have seen that's kind of the theme that I like anyways. I like taking high-end stuff and really low-end stuff like Dollar Tree, because we all need to buy some stuff from the Dollar Tree just to save money. And then high-end stuff like the beautiful apothecary jar, the mercury glass one, the gold mercury glass one, that was pretty expensive. But I did buy it on clearance and I've had it for many, many years. So I like to take high-end and low-end and mix it together and make a statement. And as I said, I'm kind of going for a very modern traditional look, or transitional. Something that will last the test of time. So you don't have to buy stuff all the time. You can use what you have and reinvent it. So that's kind of my direction. That's kind of where I'm going. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. It's Monday, and that's my favorite day of the week. I love Mondays. Mondays are a new beginning, fresh start. So I hope you have a fantastic week ahead. I hope something amazing happens for you this week. I hope that you stay true to yourselves and find joy and happiness in everything you do. That is what I wish for you, truly and honestly from the bottom of my heart. Guys, I know on Sunday I finally got through all the messages of the week, and I hope you know how much I love you and appreciate you all, truly from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you have a fantastic week ahead, and I will see you very, very soon. See you on Wednesday, guys. I'm going to show you where I'm placing this floral arrangement, and I'm going to show you another floral arrangement and another vignette that I have been working on for a few days. So I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye, guys. Bye, YouTube. Mwah. Bye, everybody. Love you guys.